Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Control Center and enabling AirDrop. This is the action that makes both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth active for transfers. Choose receiving set to everyone or contacts only so the other device can appear. Once done, make sure devices are awake and within about 30 feet because proximity affects discovery and speed. You're now ready to send. Pick the photo, file, or link, tap Share, and select the visible device. This starts the actual transfer handshake. You tap Share on the item you want to send, then select the recipient's AirDrop icon. That action initiates a direct peer connection. The recipient will see an accept or decline prompt. Have them tap Accept so the file lands in the right app, such as Photos for Images. While transferring, watch the progress indicator. Larger files naturally take longer, so be patient and avoid moving out of range. If needed, pause other heavy network tasks to keep the transfer steady. You finish by confirming the recipient opened the file. If not, retry the share sequence immediately because repeated attempts often succeed. If the other device doesn't appear, toggle AirDrop off and on and restart Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. A quick device restart usually clears persistent discovery issues. For stubborn cases, set AirDrop to everyone temporarily to establish the first connection, then switch back to contacts only for privacy once done.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.